Welcome back to Mastering Cebuano. My name is Simon Dara. Today we reach a major milestone. We have covered all 5 verb focuses. This episode is the master key. We're going to put everything side by side so you can see the logic of the entire language in one glance. Now, the core principle is the ang spotlight. In Cebuano, every sentence has a star. What is it about? We mark that star with the word ang, or si for people. The focus of the verb is simply the grammatical way of telling your listener what the star is. So we have 5 focuses. First is the actor focus. The star is the doer of the action. Then we have the object focus. The star there is the thing undergoing the action. Third is the locative focus, where the star is the place that the action is happening. Then we have the instrumental focus. The star there is the tool, the means. And the last one here is the benefactive focus, where the star is the recipient. Right? I will put up the master table. This is an overview of all the focuses for all the tenses. Let's use the word palit to buy, the root verb palit, to see how the prefixes and the ang marker shift across all 5 focuses. So you see the table, we have the actor, the star here is the buyer, the present is nak palit, so we have nak as the prefix. For the past, we have ni palit, ni is the prefix, and for the future, we have mopalit or makpalit. Mopalit for single actions, makpalit for more planned actions, longer things. Okay, next we go to the object focus. There the item is the star. We have for the present the prefix gina, gina palit. For the past we have gi palit. And for the future we have paliton. We have a suffix. The locative is the place where it's happening. There we have a combination of prefix and suffix, gina palitan. For the past, we have gi palitan, and for the future, we have palitan. Next, we have the instrumental focus, where it's about the tool being used, and here that is the money. So we have prefix gina, gina palit, the past gipalit, and the future ipalit. Then we come to the benefactive focus, which uses the same prefixes as the instrumental. We saw that earlier. So this is about the person receiving the benefit of the action. We have for present gina, gina palit, past gipalit, and the future ipalit. You can screenshot this table. This is the master key of the 5 focuses for verbs. If you can master these, that will be more than 90% of usage that you can get out of this. Now, how to choose your focus? If you're buying a fish at the market for your mom, which focus do you use? The answer depends on what you are emphasizing. So, actor focus is I am the one buying. That's what you want to express, because the choice is yours. You choose between actor focus, object focus, or the others. So here in this sentence we have mopalit ko og isda. It's about you, the buyer. If you want to switch to the fish that is most important in your sentence, then you will choose the object focus. The fish is what I'm buying. Paliton nako ang isda. And I must say, this kind of sentence, this use, the object form, is what Cebuanos use mostly. Okay? If you want to emphasize the place where you are buying, the market is most important, then you choose locative focus. Palitan nako ang merkado ok isda. It's at the market that I'm buying my fish, not at the store, not anywhere else. It's at the market. Instrumental focus, if you want to emphasize the instrument, here that is the money you are using to buy your fish. So the 100 pesos, for instance, is what I'm using to buy. Ipalit nako ang 100 pesos ok isda. Instrumental focus. And if you want to choose the benefactive focus, if you want to say it's for my mom that I'm buying the fish, then you use benefactive and you say ipalit nako si mama ok isda. Right? So it's up to you. What do you want to stress? What do you want to choose as the main focus? So this is the full map of Cebuano verbs. Don't worry if it feels like a lot to memorize now. Later on, we will do exercises, a lot of exercises. The goal is just to recognize these patterns when you hear them. Now, maybe you think these that we have just seen now are all the prefixes that exist in Cebuano. Well, no. There are, in fact, lots more. They are used for more and more nuances. And I will dedicate a special episode, episode 14, the next one, on these extra prefixes and suffixes and affixes. Okay. If you want to learn all of them in the next episode, go right ahead. But the ones we saw now, the 5 main focuses are the most important and the most used. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next episode and keep practicing.